How to buy Solana tokens through Raydium on Phantom Wallet. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to demonstrate Solana tokens using the Raydium on the Phantom Wallet. So to begin, open your Phantom Wallet mobile application and from the home page, locate and tap on the browser button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here under the app section, you will find Raydium listed as one of the applications. Select Raydium to be taken to the official website, and the first step is to connect to your Phantom wallet. Simply tap on the Connect Wallet button and choose Phantom. Select your account and press Connect. Once you see the icon in the top right corner, it indicates a successful connection. In the Form section, tap and choose from the specific asset you wish to use for purchasing the Solana. For example, if you have USDT in your Phantom wallet, select USDT. And in the To section, tap the top arrow button and select Solana. Enter the amount of USDT you want to spend and the equivalent amount of Solana will be displayed. Review the transaction details shown on the page, then tap on the swap button at the bottom. Confirm the transaction to complete the purchase. So this was all about it. This is how you can buy Solana tokens through the Raydium on Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials.